What's up guys, Jesse Norris here with KAGED Muscle Sups. As you may know, I am a professional powerlifter, and typically what I'm doing is powerlifting movements such as squat, bench, and deadlift. However, today what I'm going to be doing is more of a bodybuilding routine, and what we're going to be hitting is shoulders. We're going to hit the front, the mid, and the rear section of the shoulders, give you that full shoulder workout. Alright guys, so what we're going to do here is we're going to start out with some internal and external rotation. This is going to help warm up the shoulder. Obviously as we get later into the workout, we're going to do heavier sets and reps. So this is mostly for a warm up. So we're going to start with internal rotation and we'll superset that with external. So this is internal here. You can start out 90 and you're just kind of going to try to isolate the shoulder. Again, we're not going heavy here, as this could potentially injure you if you go super heavy. Okay, superset with external. Again, same thing. Let your arm come across and then try to isolate the shoulder. This is going to help warm up that rear delt. Okay, I'm doing 10 on each arm. Now we're switching to the left. Okay. All right, and we're gonna hit 3 sets, at least 10 to 12 there. Again, light, warm up, and now we're gonna move on to the next item. All right, same station here. We're doing some standing reverse KO flies, and the main thing is, again, we're gonna be working the rear delt. We're gonna be bringing those cables across all the way, trying to get that full range of motion. And we'll go ahead and hit 12 to 15 here. I like to hold it a little bit right there at the top, just to really feel and squeeze that muscle. You're not doing them crazy. This isn't a heavy lift where you're trying to be powerful. Again, this is more your bodybuilding stuff, so you're just really trying to squeeze and engage those muscles. All right guys, now we're back. Kind of a similar exercise as we just did with a band though. It's band pull-aparts. Similar idea, you want to find yourself a band. Usually most commercial gyms have these available for you. What you're going to do, grab it about shoulder width. Make sure you have a good grip on it. And that's all you're doing is pulling it apart across the chest. And you're really squeezing that rear delt. Like the last exercise, you might feel this as a little tougher because as you get wider, the band's going to resist a bit more. Okay, I'm going to do 12 here. Okay. All right, so now we're going to come over to the dumbbells. You need to grab a bench. What we're going to do is some side lateral raises. So what you guys can do here is we'll get up on the bench and you're just focusing on that medial delt and you're supersetting that with a side swing. And basically what that is you're going to take the bench back down, probably like yay,
And you're gonna get up a little higher on the bench, and you're not doing a full range of motion here. You're just really you're doing it heavy, and you're doing a partial engagement. You're really squeezing that rear delt. So I'll show you guys as we go along. Ooh, what do I want here? All right. I have to even go a little lighter. Okay, it's 10. Go ahead and adjust the bench. If you have 2 benches available, that'll work a little better. The idea here is go heavy or heavier. Okay, and it doesn't matter on your grip. You can go neutral or kind of to the side here. Again, you're just going part way, not going full range of motion. All right. And you're gonna be supersetting those for 3 to 4 sets. All right, guys. So in today's workout, again, I'm gonna reiterate, I'm doing mostly a bodybuilding workout, but as a powerlifter, I like to get some pressing in my workouts, and usually I'll do that first. But today, again, bodybuilding workout, we're gonna change things up. So we're gonna move on to some pressing movements here at the end. We're already fatigued. You guys should really be feeling your shoulders on fire by now. So this isn't gonna be easy. But now we're gonna move on to some Arnold press or some overhead dumbbells, but with a little twist here. So you're bringing them in and out. All right, 12 to 15. Again, shoulders are gonna be on fire, so you might have to lower the weight to get those reps, but that's the idea here, so. All right, guys, so now we're doing some front raises, seated incline front raises. So you'll grab a barbell of your choosing, and again, 12 to 15 reps, 3 to 4 sets. This is gonna be at the end of your workout. Now I typically get a lot of front delt work anyway within my compound movements, but this is just kind of to add to it. So again, 12 to 15, 3 to 4 sets, and try to hold it right there at the top. No need to go above that 90 in line with the shoulder. I'm gonna look like a bitch today for you guys, but when you're already pre-fatigued, you might have to lower the weight and call it audible for yourself, myself included. Just gotta swallow your pride a little bit. Last one, hold. Okay. What's up, guys? You caught me here post-workout. We got our whey protein isolate here. I'm taking that just for recovery. And I'm just gonna go over what we did with you today. So we started out internal and external rotation. We supersetted those. So we did internal and external right arm, and we moved to the left arm.
just alternating there. Your rest time between there should be very minimal, just as a warm-up. So 3 to 4 sets there, 12 to 15 reps. Then we moved over to our standing reverse cable flies. Did 4 sets of 12 to 15 reps, and as you remember, pulling apart, squeezing at the top, real simple. And then following, we're doing the band pull aparts. Same thing, just with a band instead, so you're gonna get more resistance as you go into the top, really working that top end. 4 sets, 12 to 15 reps as well. Now following that, we did the facing incline dumbbell lateral raises. So that's when we were on the bench, laying on the bench and pulling the dumbbells apart there. And we did 4 sets, 12 to 15 reps. And then we moved on to the heavy dumbbell swings. Kind of same thing, but just that partial movement. So it's not the full range of motion, it's just here, real heavy. And 12 to 15 reps there, 4 sets. And those exercises were a superset, so you should be doing one right after the other and take a rest, maybe 2 to 3 minutes rest, and back at it. To finish off, we did some Arnold press. That was starting here in front of us and pushing out. So overhead with that twist in the bottom. So 4 sets, 12 to 15 reps. And the last exercise was that seated incline barbell raise. So we're sitting in the chair there and we're just raising here, holding at the top, 12 to 15 reps for 4 sets. And that last set, if you really want to go the extra mile, you're going to squeeze at the top, hold 10 to 15 seconds, really feel that burn. And if you need to, as I did, we lowered the weight just so we could finish out the set strong. All right guys, thanks for following along here. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe.